Oh my god, Café Muji. It better not be a waste of time. Oh, we walked here last night. Ramen and sushi and stuff. Iba-iba yun. Order. Ano yun, anak?
That's a bird. That's that.
Oh. Why aren't they here? It's a city. Ay, look at Kit Kat, oh. Sa taas. Ah, dito. Coffee and then something like this. We have lunch anyway.
Lunch where? Is that the Kill Bill restaurant?
Pwede natin gamitin yung ano?
Actually, hindi. That's Sneaker card is only for 7-Eleven.
Ilan ang binili mo?
Tig-isa tayo.
Hindi pa natin nagagamit eh.
Magagamit natin yun. Masakit tayo, maliligaw tayo sa mga subway. So, Shibuya. Sandwich and coffee, 4,000 po. I forgot. Oh, Gianna. You okay? Is there a chair somewhere? Go.
But people's already there. Okay, let's go.
Oh, okay. You have to be fast. You can sit here for now. What do you have?
Sandwich.
No, what kind?
I don't know.
Oh, here. Oh my god, Gianna. It's manga. It's like heaven to you.
Did I say that? Are they even in English? I don't think they're in English.
We have to look. For all of you who's into anime and manga, comics, that's Forever 21. We're actually looking for Muji. And Juliana said it's here. Where? What?
Never mind. Is that movie?
What? Here, let me just Google it. We're looking for Café Muji. Maybe it's this one. It's called Cafe. No, not this one. Looking for Muji. Oh my god, Café Muji. It better not be a waste of time. Call it flagship store or something. That includes a cafe. Second floor. Oopsie daisy. Second floor. Is that?
Standing in it.
Yeah, I know. Second floor. Oh, here.
It looks pretty real to me. Oh, it's not real.
Okay, so we're at Muji Cafe. I understand we don't have that back home. So we're here in Muji Cafe in Shibuya in Tokyo, Japan. And we're just having a snack right here. Snack before lunch. So this includes onion, there's raisin.
Oh my goodness.
What else, man? Really good. And there's a side salad, which was na, and then chicken. Masarap yung chicken, Josh. The street band that's playing sounds like they're playing that music from Seinfeld, if anyone know that program.